Hello friends, it's Snoopy. I'm at Sugamo station now. Let's take a walk with me. Sugamo station is located 2 stops from Ikebukuro station and has approximately 150,000 passengers a day. It opened in 1903 and as a station on the Yamanote line in 1909. Then, in 1968, the Toei subway meter line opened and the number of passengers increased dramatically. Sugamo Station is well known as the entrance of Sugamo Jizodori Shopping Street. There is a well-known temple in the middle of the street. In Japan, there were many towns called Monzenmachi, where accommodation and commercial areas were concentrated and flourished in front of the gates of shrines and temples. Today's place is one of them. I'm getting closer and closer to today's destination. This is today's place, Sugamo Jizodori Shopping Street. Let's explore Granny's Harajuku with me. Today is not Energy Day. It's a regular Friday, so it's not so crowded on the street. Energy is a special day when Japanese people celebrate the passing of the deity that they worship. The word Enichi is made up of En and Nichi. En means having a special tie and Nichi means day in Japanese. This is the landmark of the shopping street, Koganji Temple's entrance. Let's get inside the temple. Koganji Temple was founded at the end of the 16th century, and the current location dates back to the late 19th century. This temple is part of the Soto sect of Zen Buddhism. The main Buddhist deity here is Jizo Bosatsu, who is known for having the power to heal. This bakery's anpai is very popular. I got some bread here. I'll show you what I got later in this video. The 800-meter-long road is filled with about 200 shops and restaurants, mainly targeted toward the elderly people. Because of this, Jizodori is affectionately called Granny's Harajuku. You might know Harajuku, the fashionable Tokyo district that always offers the latest trends to the younger crowd. Sugamo offers the latest trends to the elder crowds. I'm gonna have lunch here today. It's a bit early for lunch, but let's get inside. It's still mid-June, but it's already hot. A glass of water. I'm thirsty now. Here comes the meal. When I placed the order, the waitress asked 1 or 2 fish. The fish are bigger than I thought. If it was so big, 1 fish would have been enough. The miso soup was really nice. And the fried fish was very crispy. It was so nice. I'm full after the lunch. Let's walk along the street. What is that red shop? It says Japan's best red underwear. But why do they sell red underwear? Since ancient times, people in Japan have regarded red as a color that denotes the power of the sun and that of blood, the power to protect humans from evil and harm. So, some people put on red underwear to gain spiritual empowerment and encouragement. There's the post office over there. Let's check the post in front of the post office. It's very unique. He is Sugamo, the mascot character of this shopping street. Bye-bye, Sugamo. I'm happy with the food and lots of shopping. Sometimes I feel like visiting here to experience this atmosphere. This is where the Jizodori shopping street ends. There's a tram station just ahead. I'm going to get back to Ikebukuro by tram. Tokyo Sakura Tram or Toden Aruka Line is the only Toden tram line left in Tokyo. The tram takes you through idyllic alleys and long residential areas, showing you an entirely different side of Tokyo. In spring, many cherry blossoms bloom along the line, which is beautiful. Let's have a look at what I got. Anpan is a Japanese sweet rolled bread filled with red bean paste or anko. Daifuku is a Japanese mochi filled with anko. Mochi is a sticky rice cake and mame means beans in Japanese. Senbei is a rice cracker and this is shaped like a Jizo statue. Jizo is the guardian deity of children and travelers. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. バイバイ。まったねー。